So my people, I'll be having my food. And this is jerk chicken. Look Jamaicanish. Okay. And we have fish here. And we have pasta and we have curry goat. My people, my ever blessed people, welcome to another video. And today, my people, we are at West Palm. And a sneak preview as to what I'm about to talk about. Journeyed from Tampa to West Palm. And today, guys, we're going to be celebrating. We're going to be celebrating Thanksgiving today. Thanksgiving already passed, but the host is keeping Thanksgiving and birthday in one. And that's his family lying out over there. And I'll be going that side, and I'm gonna be asking of you, my people, to journey with me as we enjoy some of what the family will be doing. And today, my people, just to we'll pay attention to most of the food. We have jerk pork, we have chicken, curry goat, we have rice and peas, and we have a tent round this with all of my family around this and the people. And we are going to celebrate in a one little style, Jamaican setting, Jamaican style. So my people, stay tuned and watch how we are going to take on food. Just
you want that cold carbon cold with whatever blood stuff.
You see you? Me, them ask if you're going to find your way home. How was chef for the panel?
The
empty? Okay. So, this is how they do the deep fry. And all the chicken come out. That means if you see that time, that means you know it's a belly time, right? Alright. So, what are you having at this, sir? Any food in there, sir?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, in the dark. Alright, let's go see we have in the jerk one. I mean, I had a big chef boat there, and I say, go? Curry goat. Curry goat in the dark. So we can have it here, sir.
Then I said, we could pass you rice and peas.
Oh, rice and peas. But in the dark, man. Never dark. Oh, you want to have the light in the center here?
You like now?
Yes, man. I'm here to tell you the pork with the pepper part. Are two different jerk pork, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, you see pepper one? Bad. So me taste the two of them.
Which one you taste first?
Me taste the pepper one first. I tell me people, look how man and jerk pan big and excited. Lord of mercy! What's a jerk pork in this? Eh?
Yeah.
I pepper one in this? Oh, and then I pepper one at the party.
No, the pepper one.
Oh, yeah, I said. Yeah, man.
And this is chicken over here.
Oh, yo. Pure excitement over this.
Yeah, a pork, what them already.
Oh.
A pork and pork.
Oh.
So you guys have is a company you own or what? Or just walk around?
No, man.
You guys are Jamaican?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's your chicken now.
All right. Me, yo. Channel star. I build them already for that, Okay.
Yeah,
so how you make me sample pork and you make me sample chicken?
And the chicken I cut there?
You know, so you know easy.
You can't sample anything else.
Now with pandina, man. Now with pandina.
You can't sample anything.
Yeah. Most of the pieces are not two again. Sample it.
Take up, man.
No, man. The piece.
To file it.
Alright, we just take out the piece. Alright, let me taste it. I taste Jamaican chicken, my people. I taste Jamaican in my pork. And the one,
Jamaican night?
I taste Jamaican night.
No, Florida, you taste night.
You can't tell me what I taste. You can't tell me. No good, man. No good. Maybe pandina, man. Maybe pandina. I don't want you fill up my belly with a little piece meat. I like to have food on my plate, I look fine. People know you may call about food. I'm a foodie.
Well, it's going to be fish everything up there.
I want. Let me tell you a problem when me have. It's when I go at a venue, me don't enjoy food. You see if after this me carry one little plate, I don't know for some reason. Me I wonder if I choke, me know say people look at me while me I eat. But me just enjoy food more, just eating it in a comfort zone.
Alright, now when me cook now, me get it, you know.
That's me. That's how
You see me? When me go home, I'll
You're Jamaican as well? You're Jamaican as well? Okay.
Yeah, man.
You're Jamaican, you're yard, man.
Chicken and look. Yo, me know me see when me see them chicken. Can't wait to reach back home.
When that? Next one?
And yeah. About December not start already?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow December. Alright. Hey.
One tomorrow, 4-5 months.
Yeah?
Can't wait till you come.
Really?
Me gonna yard too, man. I just walk home. You understand? Pull back the board, see man, the board and run for you.
I saw a line of steer, the people, they're having fun, you know. Nice settings. And not too long from now, New Year's Day, we'll be having the same kind of settings. I'm not too sure we're going to have all the, if we're going to have the tables line out in this fashion, but stay tuned and look out for the epic togetherness to the people with the whole entire Everblessed family. So my people, almost everyone that you can see in the day here, they're family. All the chef are family too. And the chef come from a yard and I cook a Florida. Big up yourself, my people.
Yes, sir.
So who's going to drink from this?
Oh, that's mine.
I will.
Yeah, drink from yours.
Yeah.
Tell me what you're drinking from
The
that.
drink is like the one chip, bro.
What are you drinking from that?
Blended up pineapple and cranberry.
Oh, must be nice.
And
You're drinking from the
man.
pine, from the shell of the pineapple.
Oh, yeah.
I would mind if I see how they do this. How they get it out and leave the center there.
Oh, it's a
Yeah.
really hard
It's
process.
real hard.
What are you having in that one? What is in that? What is in the shell?
It's
The juice like
pineapple, ginger ale, and cranberry.
Wow.
Yeah, spit on that thing, man.
Very creative. How come up with that idea?
Yeah, this is
You?
good. We all did it.
My auntie.
Yeah, we all.
Yeah, we all did it.
Okay.
It was like early, like around 12 in the
I
morning.
didn't know you guys were going to use up the pine that much.
Oh, yeah.
I guess not enough to like fry.
Check out Everblessed Family on YouTube. That's where you be at. Yeah. At the parking lot together, and it's my people. Yeah, I'm at the parking lot together. Rain. Hi, how you doing? Yeah, cool. Big up yourself. You're looking at the camera? I'm a YouTuber. Yes. You want to be here? Oh, how you doing? So, where you from? You're Jamaican?
No,
You're not Jamaican. You're from which country you from?
Bahamian. I got Bahamian.
Okay. Face look familiar.
Do it.
Yes.
I'm from Pompano.
Okay. I'm a YouTuber, but I go by the name Everblessed Family.
Oh, blessed family.
Yeah, you can check out Everblessed Family.
Okay.
Big up some people in your country now, man.
Okay.
Okay.
Big up some people. Where you from?
Pompano.
Just say hi. Just big up everyone. Yeah.
Hey.
And check out Everblessed Family. In 3 days, you'll be on.
Okay.
All right, big up yourself. And enjoy your meeting. It is Thanksgiving. Yeah, my people, we're having fun. It's that family.
Because I got jaw side, I got.
Okay, there's a small amount. There's a small amount with it. And I've been served by. Which country you're from? Which country you're from? Okay. That's okay, right? What is in this one? What is this one? Yes. Nice settings. Hey! It's a family gathering, people. And this female, she doesn't understand my language. So we have to take our time with him, family. I'm taking my time with her. She doesn't understand the language. She doesn't understand English. You understand? Can I record you? Okay. And this is one of my subscribers. Thanks to family.
Rice.
The mind camera? The mind camera? No. Okay. See a part of the Thompson family and people. She's getting rice. And she's gonna get pork.
I don't know, bro.
Nice. And the sun is going down. And listen up there, my people. Beautiful seconds. So my people, I'll be having my food. And this is jerk chicken. Look Jamaicanish. Okay. And we have fish here. And we have pasta and we have curry goat. This curry goat. My people, if you don't ever bless well, I don't know something good at rating to eat food and not give it a rating. But I like the pasta and I like the jerk chicken. It look and it tastes Jamaicanish. And the man who sits beside me, he's not from Jamaica. So he just sit down and fall in and I'm not eating the food with you. Why are you not eating, my brother? You eat your food already? How was it?
Good, good.
You would like to eat some more?
I'm gonna eat some more. Let me digest first.
Brother, take a trip to Jamaica. Take a trip to Jamaica. I'm eating my food, my people.
I don't know
if I trust him driving. I don't know if I want to trust him driving.
What's up in the people? Nice job, you know? Majority of us here are family. And if we are in a family, we're close. So we just all the vibes. It is Thanksgiving settings. We outlaw, we don't celebrate Thanksgiving on the day. We celebrate one day other day. So usually, Thanksgiving should be Thursday, but we're celebrating that on a Saturday. Big up yourself to my people. Big up yourself. Like, share, and subscribe. Ever bless you. Appreciate you. Jerk pan into them, my people. Jerk pan bless you. And this is new. They light this fire here. And he says that this fire is to get rid of mosquitoes. So you light one here, light one right there, and you light one right there. And it says it's a mosquito. And this guy is the chef that does pork.
Yeah.
You say your name again, G?
Russell.
Russell.
Yeah, you want this a jerk pork, you know?
I mean, brother, you know what I want you to do for me?
Yeah.
I want you to file up one nice little piece of me.
Yeah.
So we can sit down and enjoy it tomorrow.
Okay, man. All right, I will do that.
This is the pepper one?
Yeah.
Yes, but I want the pepper one. I think the one that you brought early for auntie, that one didn't pepper.
No,
I prefer the pepper one.
One brother they do it.
I prefer the pepper one.
Yeah, the one they
The pepper one tastes like Jamaican.
Yeah, right, yeah.
No, somebody say me if it's a Jamaican, if it's a yard.
You say what you want to say.
And in the meantime, you can just give me a piece at that same time.
Oh, you know it's same.
Yes, man. A yard man style.
What's in you?
And this jerk pan here is the first I've seen a jerk pan so big.
Yeah, right.
How we invent this something, man? We can just see the amount of pork that can go in at one time because you have what, 3 shelves inside?
Huh?
Let me take another look.
Yeah, man. 2 sides, you.
My people, and the
3 story.
yeah, and there's a spring that when you lift it up, it go
1,
out.
2, 3. Yeah, let's go. It go up. Yeah.
Sure. Wow, wow, the spring carries all the way up.
Yeah.
See that, people? This is nice.
Yeah.
It's really crazy. Creative. Man kind of easy, no brother?
Yeah, man. Yeah. I'm gonna heat up because I know it ready.
Yeah. Yeah. Like the settings, my people. Yeah. As we say, at Thanksgiving, that's how we do food Thanksgiving. We celebrate it this Saturday when it was originally made for the Thursday. See me people. I never bless sit down right. You see I sit down with people. I sit down right side of jerk man. And then I chop up chicken. I chop up jerk chicken with people. The people no say Jamaican chicken. A yard man style, you know. The man is original Jamaican. And him a chop up and him come and jerk chicken in the big fancy pan. And him you see everyone I'm putting these people. Oh, I can't wait for your man if you deal with my one. My people see my one, yeah. In the bag.
Tell you.
Yeah, man. I want to see how my cousin, my people. At West Palm, Florida, I'm sitting now. Yeah, man. And we have fun. And New Year's Day is going to be some farmer setting just like this one. So make people stay tuned and look out for it because it's going to go on. And we are going to have the settings same way where we have all different type of food and eat and drink. And see boss lady right there, my people. Boss lady right there. And so the boss lady look at she cool. You see she full up on the people in this Sunday. Yeah. And me I make sure say me no drink nothing cool. Because I can't man, me want to chill. If I drink something cool now, me chill inside.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I don't mess with it.
Yeah, that's why I'm saying go buy white rum.
Oh, because the white rum, if me can't drink the white rum, it burn me. Yeah, burn me, burn me stomach on the inside. Yeah.
I mean, I ride go back all the way to Fort Lauderdale.
You say ride, you mean bike?
No, man. No, I'm a drive.
Okay, you say ride.
No.
Where you going back to?
Fort Lauderdale.
Oh, yeah, original Fort. Okay. So, boy, you're a junior real friend because you follow him so come so far.
Yeah,
me know down there, me know.
We are Bergen.
Yeah, me know down there, man.
We go fishing all the while.
Yeah,
I
man.
may come up and come paint all the house.
See them, man.
I'm a painter, you know.
Yeah.
I'm a professional.
Yeah. There's something in loyalty. Okay.
Me self-employed.
Yeah.
Painting me do.
Yeah.
I've come and work with.
Yeah. And at the same time, you're still as a friend to life.
Yeah, man. Me do on the weekend. Me do roast fish, jerk pork.
Sure.
Jerk chicken.
Yeah.
Ribs and.
We awesome, man.
Yeah, man. I mean,
and I tell you, your pork tastes like yardy, you know.
Yeah.
Really hardy style. Yeah, my people. I see that. I see that. I want to hear that. I hear that. Yeah, man. Never bless Fit Family TV outside here doing it. I mean, I do it without fear. Yeah, man. And in the meantime, my people, I'm gonna be asking you, my people, again to check out Allspice. And Allspice. All Roots and Remedies, my people. Please check out the channel, my people. All Roots and Remedies. If you're a YouTuber, please subscribe to him. He will return the subscription. Yeah, my people. And I will have to continue to big up, you know. I have to continue to big up. Errol. Hey. You've been supporting Ever Blessing and I appreciate you, sir. Yeah, man. Sooner or later, me have some unfinished business, my brother. And we're gonna be having some conversation, you know. Yeah, man. Ever Blessed family, appreciate you, my brother, for supporting. This video, my people, is sponsored by Errol. Yeah, man. So big up yourself, my people. See it. Me like the light under the tent. I think I'm gonna imitate it. The light on the inside look nice.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes. It's not bright, but it's, you know, it's a beauty.
Bright.
Yeah.
Night come